The 77-cent support level for Nexo USD explicitly generally as areas of strength for truly, in every way that really matters, in a real sense is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Nexo USD exchanges close 67 cents in a kind of significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo truly is drifting at $3,223,923, which fundamentally generally shows that the 77-cent support level for Nexo USD for the most part is serious areas of strength for truly, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking in a kind of significant manner. Nexo generally explicitly acquired roughly 0.16% inside the very absolute most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. The 13th of May 2023. In this article we will by and large walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for especially exceptionally 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense in every way that really matters. Sought clarification on some things. What certainly is by and large momentary cost expectation for Nexo, sort of is Nexo a fundamentally wise interest in a by and large essentially significant manner. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, by and large truly let us in every practical sense discuss the for the most part sort of current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought, or so they essentially thought. Market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,20109,556,157 in a very significant manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume sort of essentially remains at $29,326,280,073, which explicitly is genuinely huge, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, showing how Nexo generally acquired around 0.16% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which actually certainly is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, which is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, in every practical sense, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part fundamentally is very critical. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market especially generally is going in an essentially descending bearing for reasonably present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, which actually explicitly is very huge, in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a for the most part essentially broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally truly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, truly generally is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents. So various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers generally by and large become genuinely more lovely, most certainly dynamic, and most certainly truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a for the most part enormous manner incredibly. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants sort of become move especially dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from moving reasonably commonly higher in an exceptionally significant manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo. Nexo execution. The very current Nexo cost explicitly for the most part is 67 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,223,923 in the especially beyond 24 hours, which essentially shows that any XO USD exchange is close 67 cents in an extremely significant manner. Presently, any XO especially explicitly is up by 0.16% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $373,815,078 USD, which generally shows that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,20109556157, or so they by and large thought. Nexo value examination. Any XO cost investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside a reasonably all things considered everyday time span basically made sense of underneath, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving especially normal union and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally truly straightforward moving decently especially normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to break down the future development of the Nexo in a genuinely enormous manner. As a matter of fact, the Nexo truly has in a real sense generally break all its in every practical sense. By and large backings levels and things generally are not looking kind of genuinely great for the crypto market, exhibiting how the quite complete exchanging volume truly in every way that really matters remains at $29,326,280,073 reasonably exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, especially in every way that really matters, bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take any XO cost underneath the pivotal help level of 82 cents in a significant manner. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and fundamentally is attempting to basically in a real sense break out of the impartiality zone, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking, which is very critical. While any XO's Williams % R pointer generally is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. A exchange certainly most certainly signal for the most part is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line generally fundamentally is remaining above of the really signal line after a genuinely sure hybrid. So the Nexo basically has certainly for the most part break all its particularly truly upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, showing how the essentially kind of all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $29,326,280,073 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters, day-to-day outline in an all things considered, large way, which sort of is very critical. Ends any XO cost explicitly in a real sense is moving in sideways course, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo truly is floating at $3,223,923, which generally